Hi guys, so today I'm gonna feature a very special episode as we celebrate our 4th year anniversary and time for me as well to hit the bucket list to one of my dream destinations, which is to see the world's most famous and one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The Niagara Waterfalls in Ontario, Canada, and the Niagara Waterfalls, USA, Buffalo, New York. These waterfalls welcomed a lot of tourists every year from different parts of the world. Then, if you are a traveler enthusiast, don't miss to watch this. And to complete your wonderful adventure, you must experience also the Skylon Tower. There, you could go up and oversee the entire view of waterfalls above. There is also a fine dining inside where you could eat and enjoy as well. And without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, so I will show you around the waterfalls. Actually, I'm here at the Skylon building. Actually, this building is one of the tallest buildings here in Canada also. And this building is intended for you to watch this awesome scenery of waterfalls, and then you can dine in here also inside because they have an amazing restaurant also inside. So the touring starts now. I have my very own natural.
We're just gonna videotape all the way around. Nice and cool.
It's breezy here. And today Ontario is very hot, guys, I can tell you. But
It's actually 32, feels like 39.
no, not 39, it's 48.
That is the largest Ferris wheel in Canada.
Yes. That's near the waterfalls also. So there are so many amusements here when you want to go and watch the Niagara Falls.
So that's called Rainbow Bridge.
What bridge is that?
Rainbow Bridge.
And that bridge is our border.
That's Canadian and USA border.
That's Canadian and USA border. So actually on the other side, that's USA already.
That's right. That's the border control over there.
Okay.
As you can see, as soon as you get off the bridge.
Yeah.
And all you see over there is all United States. That's
Yeah. That's New York.
Yes.
That's New York, and we are in Canada. So I can cruise right now. It would be really nice if you're going to the boat, but I'm scared, so I'll just watch some of them that riding that boat. That's the USA boat. The Canadian boats are red. The Canadian boats are red. So as you can see, guys, there is one boat towards the falls, but they didn't go through. They turn around just a couple of breaths, actually, because the pressure of the waterfalls is really strong. So they're going back now. As you can see, there's another boat going, and the other one is out. And the blue one is the USA boat, and the red one, as I said, that's the Canadian boat. This is the USA Waterfall